Hey, so what's up, guys? Welcome to the... Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. This is Joseph Fountain here, and thanks for stopping by the channel. So I definitely appreciate that. So today, I want to talk to you about how your focus can mess with your money. So where you focus, it's pretty much going to grow. It's going to get the attention, and wherever you don't focus, won't get the attention. It's like the saying says, whatever you feed will grow, whatever you starve will die. I've had plenty of experience with how your focus can mess with your money because I've been there, right? When you go through different things and you focus more on a problem than you are the solution, I think we all can identify. I know personally there are so many investments that I missed out on all because I was focused on the situation at hand. For example, back in 2009, as I was working as an engineer for an engineering company, I lost my job. Me and my wife had just purchased our first home. We just had a baby, like literally 2 weeks after, I was laid off. So it was kind of a crazy time. But during that time, I was so focused on, well, what do I have to do next to bring money in the house, trying to find a job, all the crazy things that happen when something, like that, just kind of tears your life apart where, you didn't plan for that. So what happened is during that time where I was working so hard and so stressed out and so frustrated and so miserable, trying to figure out what to do, how to make this happen, trying to build faith in my home and all those things, one of the things that I was very strong with was investing. However, during that time, I just didn't pay attention to anything going on investment wise. I was so concerned with, what I was going through. And because of it, I've missed out on several investments that I was watching or paying attention to at the time. But because, just trying to get some money in the house or just trying to recoup from the loss of, your whole entire income or, that you have from your job, it was a little bit stressful. And so because all of my attention was there, I did not pay attention to the things that I normally would. So I said all that to say this, that if you're going through something or if you got some things that are in your way or that may be pulling at you or you have some problems, instead of focusing so much on the problem itself, focus on the solution. Focus on the way you can fix the problem versus, over exaggerating how big the problem it is that you're dealing with. Because if you can focus on the solution and focus on an area that's going to help your situation, then what's going to happen is you're going to help your situation. But if you're still focused on the trauma, like I was when I got laid off from my job of, oh my God, I got laid off and what am I going to do? And my wife is, she's a little unsure because her faith is broken because I lost my job as well. And we got this house and oh my God, like just rehearsing those things in your mind, nothing gets done. And yes, it's easier said than done. But that's why you have to practice focusing. And that's why you have to gain control over your emotions when you go through things like I mentioned in some previous videos. So if you can do that and you can settle down and you can calm your nerves during the storm, if you can have peace, and then what happens, you'll be able to make the right decisions that you need to make during that time. And ultimately what those decisions could do, it could cause you to be able to gain financially. It could cause you to be able to make the right investments. It can cause you to not fall off track by overspending or buying stuff you don't need to buy or getting caught up in some type of money scam or whatever that it can be. But just learn to focus, practice focusing on the solution versus the problem. Because in life, when we start to lose focus, one of the main areas that gets affected when we are losing focus is our finances, because we're all over the place. So I hope this has been a helpful tip for you today. Gain some focus. Learn how to focus on the task at hand. Learn how to settle your nerves. Be calm. Get that determination. And no matter what you're going through, you can still improve your situation. So that's my time. I only have a few more minutes before my family gets back. So let me get up out of here. What's up, guys? I'm back. So today I want to talk to you guys real quick about how I'm a prime example of how your focus can, cause you to lose